This one's for all my bears out there. You see that chart? Going parabolic. You know it can't last forever, baby. There's only one place I need you to go. Listen.
I've been watching you since the opening bell, casting your hypnotic green candle spell. You're flying so high, way above the mean, the most overboard chart I've ever seen. I click the sell button, girl, I'm shorting you now. I got a feeling you're about to turn around somehow. My stop loss is set, but my heart is beating fast. This beautiful setup, oh, I need it to last. Oh, won't you take me to VNDA?
Yeah, that's where I need to go.
Oh, baby, take me to VNDA. Bring that price down
Nice and slow.
I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to VNDA, boy. Cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. The buying volume's fading, oh, it's getting weak. You're trying to push higher past the morning peak, but those little red candles, they're starting to show, telling me a story that all the bears know. Don't you fake me out, girl, don't you start to squeeze. Just look at the indicators, baby, won't you please? Don't you break my heart with a new high of day. My profit target's waiting, it's not that far away. Oh, won't you take me to VNDA pole?
Yeah, that's where I need to go.
Oh, baby, take me to VNDA.
Bring that price down, nice and slow.
I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to VNDA pie. Cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. Yeah, they call it the magnet, the line of control, where institutional money can make a trader whole. I ain't asking for a crash, I ain't asking for the floor. Just come back to that average and I'll be out the door. That volume weighted price, yeah, it's looking so sweet to me.
Come on, baby, sell it off.
Oh, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down for me now. Oh, baby, take me to VNDA. I gotta cover my short, don't you see? Oh, I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to VNDA way. Cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. Take me there, baby, oh, to the VNDA green. That beautiful golden line on my screen. Come on, just a few more ticks, yeah, that's the way. Let me see that green. Oh, take me to be wet. Don't. Yeah, my stop loss, got it, that's the top tick tilter. Saw the price reject, now my heart's getting colder. Watched it fall without me, yeah, soldier with no prize. I see red on the candle and red in my eyes, yeah. Top tick tilter, fill me at the high. Now I'm popping nothing, sitting on the side. Should've been a milli, now it's just a ghost. The market played me dirty, yeah, it hurt the most. Woke up this morning, saw the setup, it was clean. Overextended daily, yeah, short seller's dream. Put my order on the book, risk was calculated plan. Felt that rush inside my veins, had the world inside my hand. Then the candle started pushing paranoia in my soul. A wick came out of nowhere, made my P&L a hole. Just one single tick, a whisper, then it slammed right back to earth. Now I'm watching all this money, questioning my worth. Yeah, my stop loss got hit, that's a top tick tilter. Saw the price reject, now my heart's getting colder. Watched it fall without me, yeah, soldier with no prize. I see red on the candle and red in my eyes, yeah. Top tick tilter, fill me at the most. It's a cruel world, it's trading game, a different type of pain. Like you text your girl I love you and she leaves you in the rain. Saw the profit flash before me, then it vanished from the screen. This ain't a simulation, this is agony, it's keen. Top tick tilter, now I'm just a watcher. It hurts the most. Gone.
I see you shining, baby, on the screen. Another rocket launch, a manufactured scene. The chatter's buzzing loud, the retail's buying in. They think they found the gold, where do I even begin? Volume's climbing high, charts are looking green. But I got a different vision, a different kind of scene. My fingers on the trigger, my conviction's wearing thin. 'Cause everybody's got to end. They're talking moon and stars, a stratospheric flight. But I'm here in the shadows, waiting for the fading light. They built it up so high on hopes and empty claims. Just a house of cards playing dangerous games. Oh, I'm waiting for the halt down, baby, hear that siren blow. When the bids all disappear and the panic starts to grow. That glorious halt down, watch it drop and fall. From the penthouse to the basement, gonna lose it all. Pump it, for an offering you'll release. Then silence in the market, no more happy peace. Just a swift, sweet dive from that precarious peak. Oh, that glorious halt down is the moment that I seek. Saw this play 100 times, it's nothing new to me. Flashing news and promises for all the world to see. No fundamental reason, just pure and empty hype. While the insiders are prepping for the final perfect strike. Call me cynical, baby, that's just fine with me. But I see the truth behind what they want you to see. You play the hype machine, you sold them all a lie. Now it's time to watch your little paper kingdom die. Oh, I'm waiting for the halt down, baby, hear that siren blow. When the bids all disappear and the panic starts to grow. That glorious halt down, watch it drop and fall. From the penthouse to the basement, gonna lose it all. Pumping, for an offering you'll release. Then silence in the market, no more happy peace. Just a swift, sweet dive from that precarious peak. Oh, that glorious halt down is the moment that I seek. Yeah, waiting for it. Halt down. Oh, here it comes, baby. Watch it all fall down.
Yeah, this one's for all my bears out there. You see that chart? Going parabolic.
All righty, traders. Good morning. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Here we are. Had an excellent Friday night live stream, by the way. Tuna, you may be referencing that. Over on Josh's stream, there were 9 of us. 9 of us in there. It was a party. It was a good time. So this Friday, we're going to head back over to mine and we'll have another party. But that was a great time. Great time, guys. Hope you learned something too. It's great just to get things off our chest, open up the mic, have a mic night for the team so you guys can have a voice in the matter. Traders, let's welcome Mr. Fades into the stream. Good morning, Fades.
Good morning, fellas. How we doing?
Good, man. How was the weekend?
It was pretty chill. It was fun tuning into that live stream on Friday. I got in like halfway through.
Man, it was
I was
yeah,
laughing my ass off, dude.
I know. Mike was a character in there, wasn't he?
Yeah, that was great, man. I love to see that. 9 of y'all like all chopping it up, man. Come on, where are they doing that at? That's awesome, dude.
I know. I just had to but the thing is, it like abruptly ended because Josh was on the free EV Mux, so he's gonna upgrade, I think, for the next
Yeah.
one. It was like
Yeah, I went and like was going to like watch the rest of it the next day and it just cut off randomly. I'm like, oh well, road full.
you rug full. Yeah, I'll let him know. But we kept going. He said he recorded the whole thing, so maybe he'll post it. But
Yeah.
I mean, dude, it was like 1 o'clock. I was like, God, we just stayed in there chatting. They didn't. No one even cared or noticed that we weren't live. I was like,
Right?
I gotta go to bed. We could have kept it going forever. It's the beauty. I mean, it's when you get traders together, it's so
Yeah,
much
that's
fun.
awesome. That's awesome, man.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
was a
so
good time though.
well, we got a fresh week, guys. How we feeling? We ready for it?
The funded's still locked. I requested the withdrawal on Friday. I do need to update you guys on
Oh,
how
it's
a lot
locked.
of it.
They lock it
Yeah,
now?
I believe so.
May-
Yeah,
Maybe it's because you have credits that they lock it.
yeah,
Because I
yeah.
think before you scale, I don't think they lock it. Unless they might have changed it though.
It says waiting for withdrawal. So I do
Yeah.
need to update you on the scaling and how it works.
Yeah,
But
I
I
meant to
mean,
get back to you over the weekend. We're
we
gonna
can do
talk
that
about it.
now or another time. But it's better than what I had been than what I put in chat. I had reached out to them and
Mhm.
pretty much said I need clarification on this. The thing was like the balance, what it's told you you had credit wise and profit wise, it wasn't giving you it was there was a glitch. It wasn't accurate. So
Yeah, we ran into that before, right? Like, why does my balance show this? Like,
here's what I didn't know though, and what is helpful. So when you scale the first losses, the losses below your new balance go against your credits, but just new lows on the account. It's like if you hit a new low and you lost 100, that 100 gets erased. But everything you
Mhm.
make above and beyond your overall balance, let's say you scaled it and but your initial starting balance was like 20 for mine it's 26,250, but I might have had 28,000 in there. So everything above the 26,250 is going to count towards you're gonna that's gonna count as like paid money to you, the 70% of it, if that makes
Mhm.
sense. Because I
So
yeah.
yeah, essentially, like every 1,500, your max loss increases, right? Uh, Is that how they do it? Is it a structural ladder of every 1,500? Because the
The daily
profit is
calls.
2,500, right? But once you hit 1,500, they move your max loss to the account balance. So it's like a trailing static dynamic threshold, kind of like it's essentially.
Yeah, if you scale it, they take you're pretty much your money is now your stop. Like you could withdraw the 70%, the whole thing,
Yeah,
but
similar like other prop firms do. And what is cool about Trade the Pool is they let you touch your money a lot quicker than like an example futures firms, especially like pass and eval structure. Like you almost always have to make another 15, 2K before you can even touch any of that money. With Trade the Pool, you can withdraw after like a couple of green days and like three, four, $500. Like you can see that money. So that's pretty cool. Of course, you have to wait 2 weeks, so that's a big downside, but that's just how it works.
But I will give props to them because the guy, the risk team, they emailed me a huge like. I mean, they clarified it perfectly. They sent me a
Yeah,
huge.
they've been going through changes and hoops, and I mean, you got to cut them a break. I mean, new rules got implemented, and they're going through all this, and like we're all human, right? Like mistakes are gonna happen, but yeah, the team has been good with making things right with glitches and stuff like that. So.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. So yeah, I'll be on a eval today, but close to getting funded there. So maybe it'll be a good thing. But yeah, I'm looking
Hmm.
forward to this week.
Right
Was
on.
hoping to be on the funded today, but it's all good. It's hard for me to focus on eval and funded, honestly. So
Yeah,
it's
it's
probably a
it's
good
kind
thing.
of a fine line. It's almost like you got to be a different trader on both of them. I mean, you don't have to be, but a lot of people do approach it that way. But it's tricky because the psychology bleeds over.
Yeah, that's very,
But
very
but
true.
yeah, I
How are
was
you feeling
I'm good.
about the
Yeah, I
market
was
today?
glad to see it. I got my new funded account activated today, so that was good. See that
Heck yeah.
email. So I might I have another eval too. So I mean, yeah, usually I like to have a couple accounts working. I have multiple funded accounts right now. I only have this one, so you know, it's like sometimes, and like I said, how you look at it, like sometimes you just want to see the money, and you're fine with passing another eval. Like I look at it the same way with my straight to funded accounts with futures, right? Like I buy a straight to funded account for like 150,
Mhm.
$200. I make 1,500. I can pull 1,400 of that out, but then I wouldn't have any buffer. So it's like they kind of raise my buffer the same way, but I can withdraw 1,000 or 1,200 and kind of just say, well, this account can do or die, and then just buy another account. It's kind of almost the same
Yeah.
way with TCP. You just buy another eval, you pass it. Once you see a couple $100, you can extract it. It's really just the waiting game and like the cycling accounts is what it is. Like,
Yeah, you've helped, me out too when if as far as that mental aspect, if you have a bad go of it, it's like just dude, you're fine. Just you'll do good on the next eval. Yeah, it's and
yeah,
then that happened. I was literally whatever. I was about to blow up another one, and then I got funded that same day. Just went on a tear. I made like $4,000. Dude, I went on an absolute tear. But yeah, I mean that's the nature of it. Some days are not your days. Some evals aren't your evals.
hmm
You'll pick back up and
yeah,
get it.
and like I was talking about, what I've been working on personally too is like, I went through a phase where I was like, oh, I have all these accounts. Like I can risk, I can allow myself to lose,
Uh,
but you just tilt over into account to account. So that's
mhm.
where like really becomes like you have to build a system for yourself. So like instead of a max loss on the account, I have a max loss on the session. Like I told you, I do like a
Okay.
1-2 structure where it's like I give myself a hard stop on whatever trading I'm doing at that session. And then once I hit that, it's time to cool off. It's time to reset. Like I don't have to be done for the day, but it's like a hard stop, reset, get outside, like reset. And then when I can come back and trade, but after that, I have another threshold where I'm done, where I'm not going to let myself tilt, but still give myself opportunity to be in the market.
Nice. And
I
you've
found
been
that
pretty
that's pretty.
disciplined,
Yeah, I
with
think that's like really the holy grail for me because like that was always one of my hardest things is just like, and I think anyone, right, if they can admit it, like what do you do on like when the market just goes against you, like on a worst day, like a worst time, you get top ticked, you're oversized, like what do you do after that? That's what's gonna define
yeah.
you.
Yeah, you go to the next eval and go hard. Yeah, that's where honestly, Fades, we'll wrap it up and get to the watch list after,
Yeah.
but I was thinking about that over the weekend. I'm like, dude, like the prop is honestly has been so beneficial for me because like we know we're good traders, but it's just that, you have that one crutch that sometimes with can kinda just get rid of all those gains, and so
Hmm.
but you're prevented from doing that with the daily drawdown. So it's like,
Yeah.
I can grow an account 100% and then, get tilted and lose that over digging myself in a hole, but you can't do that really with trade the
And
I
your
mean,
250 max is great for that. Like because you have the max account. I think that's kind of the fine line. It's like 500 hits a lot different psychologically than 250, right? So
Yeah.
for me, I'm kind of in between, right? Like around 350-ish, that's when I want to do a stop on the session because I can take that and just keep going. But if it starts to bleed to 4 or 500, I feel myself get tilted, and I'm not the same trader. So it's like
Mm,
figure out what that threshold is for yourself.
yeah. Not the same trader after a certain L, which in that
Mhm.
case means you need to just step away.
Yeah, and it's like you don't have to punish yourself for the whole day, but like reset, go eat, go take a walk, like go do something, come back, reset. You know, give yourself a smaller rope to work with, size down a little bit. Then you really know, like, is it my day or do I just need to step away
Yeah. Yeah.
without like sabotaging?
Love that.
Yeah.
Let's get into the watch list. Yeah.
So let's take a look, guys.
We
A couple stocks up this morning. There was an expensive one, ACLX. What's the news with this one today?
It just looked like an acquisition or a merger, so I didn't really put it on the watch list because of that. Yes, an acquisition acquired by Gilead Sciences, so
Oh,
likely
okay. Yeah. So that's likely null. And
uh,
then, of course, we got a 10-cent play that's up 150% randomly. It's just like,
yeah.
I keep seeing that theme.
I This NCI is wild, dude. I didn't really pay attention much to it Friday into the close, but oh my god. And the thing is, dude, uh, is it we've been watching NCI for the last couple weeks, and honestly,
Mm-hmm.
they did a public offering fades on the 11th. They did a public offering 15 million shares at 54 cents, and it still is squeezed like this. 15 million, the 8.1 million public offering at 54 cents. And that was pretty much, I think, probably right when it got started. You and Crow loaded below one tuna. Thank you for the honesty with that. We lost money on it, but yeah, it just that's that's what's can happen. We've been wondering what's been going on here because we saw the offering. It's just a squeeze, like everyone being on the same
Mm-hmm.
side of it. So hopefully, you guys just saw the L and took it quick because the traders that were like way over convicted here, they blew up
Oh,
on
yeah.
this. But dude, if we're
Mm.
backside now, dude, we're gonna be this is looking pretty.
Yeah, that RXT thing is still grinding, the Paladin grinder.
Yeah, we called
Yeah,
that inverse head and shoulders on Friday. It didn't trade it, unfortunately, but she's cleared that channel. The 1.5s is now support. And then we got 220 next on it.
yeah. Then we got SNSE has been consolidating. Looks kind of the same vibe, almost like a bullish. Just is it going to next leg today, or I mean, it's like risk levels are there for a short, but it doesn't really look like a good short. It looks like they're just grinding it higher. But it's one to watch. It's one to have one to watch.
It did break over 29.30, which was that tough resistance on Wednesday,
Hmm.
but
Yeah, it's definitely
it's
grinding, but risk levels are there.
the illiquidity is what's scary there.
Mhm, and then,
Another
Mulek is still floating around. What are they gonna do with that one? That's just like a
it's
fun that's just a fun watch at this point, like
it's literally floating. Like that's correct. It just floats on nothing. You'll like this one, ATOM. They didn't we've been watching this one for the last
Oh,
couple
yeah.
weeks, but here they did an offering this morning, Fades. 25
Oh,
million. Yeah, $5 a share. 25
oh,
million,
what are they at now? Ooh.
$6.
Oh, shit. I might take a starter there because 'cause we've been stalking that one. We were waiting on this. Like, this
I
is
know.
exactly what we waited for, guys. I mean, don't get
Yeah.
overconfided, but I think I will go ahead and take a starter there on that.
Hang on. Before you do,
Let me see.
there's only 530 shares that went
Yeah,
through
I'm
this.
watching. I just pulled up the tape. Yeah, careful, guys. Pay attention to the time it sells. So, yeah, so I've got that pulled up, got the chart pulled up. I do like that. I love that right now. Yeah, we've been waiting on that. A big washout candle. So, I mean, they could trap some bulls and run it to 6.5, like 6.7 into open. But
Mhm. That
I
would be
would go,
great. That would be great.
yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a starter there. Not, you know, I don't really recommend taking anything right before bell. So we'll see how this 6 level reacts, but I'm just gonna get involved like tiny there just to get some, skin in the game.
Oh, a lot of shares just went through.
I'll be looking to scale it though. Yeah, they did. So let me go ahead and take. I don't want to get
How
too.
many can we take? Is 10,000 just went through?
Um, we can take like 200 right now. You can be safe and take. Oh, let's see, 150 to play it safe. Maybe 200. Definitely can get 150 right now.
All
I
right,
got 100 shares.
I'll do 150. That'll work.
Yeah,
Probably gonna
I like
scale it
that.
like over
Yeah.
under 6.65, right? Over under
Right.
6.5 is probably what I'm gonna
Look for
do.
that junk pop to like mid sixes. I mean, do we really see this thing reclaiming back to sevens and eights?
It's been a tricky name, dude.
It
So
could. It
it
could.
could. It's
Anything can happen. Anything can happen.
all right. We got a low float play popping up, guys. That may be the bell winner. Is
No.
ALUR. This one announced FDA approval, Allurian gastric balloon system application. So they received FDA approval. So
Oh
good news
God.
there for approximately 80 million Americans with struggle with obesity.
Gastric balloon. Jeez. It's because they're poisoning us all.
Oh my
Eating all
god.
this junk food. Go cook your own food. Go grow it, guys. Single ingredients. Read the ingredients in what you're eating. It's not a
For real.
joke.
Yeah. I've been
Not to get all woo woo, but for real, man,
been
the food
trying to be.
industry is cutthroat.
I know. Yeah, maybe we can have a conversation off stream about some of that sometime. Cause yeah, I've been trying
Yeah.
to eat a little better this year, and you're on top of that stuff.
Oh yeah, I love all that stuff. I'm into herbs and clean eating and all that stuff.
IBRX testing 10. That's on a daily breakout. It looked like it did want 10. That was on earnings. This is
Okay. Adam
not a
getting more
big.
prints under 6.
Okay.
So this thing might wash at Bell, dude. I mean, this thing. You said the offering was at 5,
Yeah.
and 520 is like key. So I mean, we could see it fours print. I mean, that's not out of the question, but
One more I want to go over. We got a minute. CDIO. CDIO, guys, is a name that's been in play the last week. Is holding 2 6s. Tuna, I think this was on your AI scan, your newsletter that you sent out. CDIO, I believe. 2 6s is holding up to key level, and then 3 4, which it tested Friday, is liquidity zone. It's a ceiling right there. 3 5, so that's a tough area. But that CDIO could get it at Bell or ALUR probably. But something's gonna like. There's really nothing up that much. So we're gonna see.
mm, yeah, that NCI got whacked. Thing's still up 400% in a month though. NCI.
Yes, I cannot forget about NCI because she is that one again offering at like 40 cents or something, 47 cents. So
Yeah, that one's still bearish, man. Like Atom and NCI, I want to see how these are going to play out. I might want to take a NCI just already sold off so much now. Let's see them pop that to like.
I want to know the short interest on it.
Let's short that at like 7 on a junky bell pop maybe.
Junkie, the junkie bill pop.
All right, here goes Adam. 618s. Or is the tape off? What? I'm seeing it's like lower prints. It's like lagging. Is it? So let's see how we're gonna do this pop.
CDIO got a little pop to it, Bell guys.
So usually it's reverse psychology at Bell. So we were kind of anticipating Adam to do a little bag holder pop and then reject. What we don't want to see is like a miracle green candle through like sevens. That's gonna be like, what are we doing?
If it holds over 6.5, I'll probably be done with it. I hit it again on that pop.
Yeah, I just took a little bit more here. I'd love to see this be like the strength that it was going to get, and then just roll over from here after a little 6-2 push. But it could still.
NCI is looking really heavy too, bro. NCI looking real heavy, real heavy.
Yeah, that dilution. I mean, how much volume spreads a little. Yeah, NCI tried to look like it was curling up, and then it rejected, huh? Yeah.
It could
Hmm.
go into a halt down. I'm going to
I
monitor
think I'll
NCI
just
carefully.
watch it. Yeah, I think at this point, where the RR is, I want to just kind of almost chase it into, like you said, like a washout. Like let them confirm it that that's what they're gonna do, and not base it right here. But yeah, it feels pretty heavy. So Adam, lower sixes printing again. Are they gonna play nice with this thing, dude? I mean, can it just be a clean fade down to 5-2? Dollar fade from here.
Yeah, probably not.
Judging off past history, that offering got chewed up. Hell, it might have. Go ahead and set some stops there.
Yeah, I was about to as well. It's kind of a strange opening bell.
For that or just in general?
Just in general, feels a little
Yeah, here we go.
strange.
Yeah, maybe a little slower. Let's take a look at NASDAQ and see what it's doing. Okay, Adam's working out for us. Again, fives are showing back up on bid. Behaving well, guys. We've been kind of stalking this trade. Kevin definitely has been.
Yeah, the offering. This reminds me of one of those plays probably a couple months ago we were watching, and I like went kind of heavy on a NCI trickling down.
Yep.
It's
Dude,
the
they
spread is
offered 40 cents. Seriously? Like that's actually real?
well.
I'm gonna have
That was a couple weeks ago. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. But yeah, I mean, what are they doing? That was a major dump. Like that was disgusting. It feels like now the short trade kind of, has been has sold, but like we just talked about, still up 400% in a month.
VNDA, like Tuna brought up, is one of the gappers this morning. It's 820s holding there real well right now, but VNDA, FDA approval, they had like a bipolar schizophrenia treatment.
Okay.
What kind of world are we got? We got this gastric news. We got bipolar schizophrenia news.
Oh, all I know is Adam's trying to behave for us. So
Yeah, I would love her to behave.
volume
It,
is coming through. I mean, we're seeing lots go through, but not going.
we didn't go over BDMD. That had a nasty sell off yesterday. Like it ramped up towards the 200-day moving average. It tapped it beautifully and just went straight down, halted down. And now I don't see this thing sustaining any push today, but
Mhm.
this is an eerie kind of open, guys. It's just kind of a eeriest kind of open.
Yeah.
IBRX got the 10 push. IBRX is holding 10 now. That one's on earnings.
Okay.
RXT sell off. RXT's some profit taking. 168's your level there. Yeah, yeah.
Why is it's not showing my change on TTP? Kind of just stalking Adam right now, bro. Like I like this trade. I want to see that candle under 6. Just go ahead and confirm it for us. The longer we churn here around 6 and don't move.
CDIO, the Magic 20 rejected, now sitting around the previous close.
If it can stay heavy right here, this will be a nice one. CDIO. Yeah, for some reason, like my watch list is not showing the percentage up or down on TTP, so that's kind of annoying.
Yeah, somebody.
Are you getting that too? Let me get some more tea.
AIDX is halted down. I'm just working Adam right now with fades, stalking NCI. This AIDX play is a sketch play. It's halted down right now.
Yeah, maybe look for the leading loser.
I know. IBRX, good volume volatility on IBRX. I mean, really, it's not a. I mean, this is earnings. It got its 10 liquidity. It had a daily breakout. I like it's broke over the 10 and it's floating up here though.
Mm-hmm. Still getting volume prints. What are we
KNRX is heating back up. KNRX heating back up. They're going back to that.
Okay.
Yeah. We got to revisit some of those names from last week, guys. Probably if volume is going to be spread like this.
Right. All right, Adam, what are you guys doing? It's feeling quite bearish right now. Still got room to repair some of that on the upside if they want. But with that offering and the fact that it's been running.
Mm-hmm. And NCI's just been kind of trickling down, dude. It's just
Yeah. Yeah, it's a tough one. It's like small size, pretty tight stop, and just kind of let it work, really. I mean, because at this point,
I'm gonna get involved with NCI as well.
yeah, the fact that it came from 10, what was that, today or that was yesterday? Or Friday? Okay, yeah, so it peaked on Friday. Today it had a very strong rejection. Let me see.
Where do your stops at on ATOM? What you thinking? I'm just gonna put
What?
them over 6.5s.
Mm-hmm. I have them scaled up. Like I have some at 6.4 just because we already got bearish again. So I don't, I'm not really don't want to see it over this last wick, to be honest. So I got 6.4, 6.6, 6.8 right now. That can change, but so we stayed bearish. So I was expecting either a quicker pop and reject or a pop and fade. I didn't want that pop and grind back and churn more.
Yeah.
This one's been a tricky one. Even with the offering, we've seen that we can get smoked even with an offering. So
Oh yeah. Just
that's annoying.
NCI the last couple weeks. Definitely.
Mm. But it seems like sellers still keep showing up here.
AIDX is lower, dude. It just keeps halting down. I don't even think it's tradable though for us.
AIDX.
Yeah, it's not AIDX.
I don't even see it.
Yeah, it's not tradable.
Mm.
Adam did a double top. It should stay heavy there now. It's maybe worth even sizing here against what it just did.
Right. Yeah, I'm kind of stalking this thing. Kind of, yeah, like thinking to size it and get tighter with it. It's kind of my philosophy now. And target 5.5s or 5.2.
Here we go. Yeah,
Bigger
I'm
size.
hitting it again.
Come on.
Looking good, looking good. Crow in the house, VNDA. VNDA up through the 20s. Yep, that one's good. Bipolar schizophrenia treatment, 820s. I mean, what's that 875 rule Josh always talks about? Up through 875, a likely 10 incoming. We can monitor that, see if volume can sustain for that. You might hit ALUR. ALUR has been like holding up. I mean, yeah, I get the FDA approval is pretty good. So they just really hasn't sold off. Haven't seen any profit taking.
VNDA guys.
Yeah.
Long on that one. All right, so Adam, yeah, 5.5 is very key, and then 5.2 is the next key level. The offering was at 5 itself. This name's been tricky. It's been a little grinder. I wanted to really see it roll over, so I don't want to be over ambitious here. But so far, so good.
FBIO curling up too, traders. FBIO curling up.
I mean, hell, if there was going to be a time to short Adam, it would have been today. Now.
Yeah.
So, well, it's really a reality check for the stock today. Like,
See what FDIO is going to do at their 4 level, traders.
we don't have any halts going on, or just that halt
No,
down.
it's just real slow right now.
Mm-hmm. I don't want it to just keep sitting here at 6. We need to go ahead and wash out.
VNDA holding up through the 875 now, guys. It's pretty steep, though. I mean, I'm sure what Josh would say is look for the dip buy on this because it's a pretty steep move here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this action's aggravating. NCI I stopped out of 5.5s, by the way, guys. That thing's curling all the way back up towards 6.
Yeah. I reduced a little bit of Adam. I'm just not a huge fan of this little grindy churn. I will add a little bit back under like a 6 flush, but I don't like how the 6 level is facing. I want to see weakness under it. I still got a good chunk there, but tighter with the stops and reduce size a little bit. It's just tricky getting involved like right at Bell too, because they play with things a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Like they might want to grind this thing to freaking 7 and then reject it and dump it from there. You know, like they just do grimy stuff like that. So kind of be more dialed in here on this play right now. So I'm not seeing a ton out there that I want to get involved with.
No, it's aggravating price action right now. BATL was a recent play, guys. That's popping, curling back up a little bit towards 5. It's kind of that one's been on back burner.
Yeah, so the main market, pump and dump at Bell. NASDAQ pump and dumped.
Crow's watching Allure, which ALUR, which is not a bad
Then
watch. She's been going.
NCI bag holder relief program. There's the 6s.
Oh, NCI, yeah, that play is just annoying.
Yeah, that thing's just sketchy, man. Like
Junker.
at this point, it's just a junky chop fest. Like, you know, if you caught that short, up towards 10, 8, 9, that's good. But now it's just a junker chop fest.
VNDA pulling back off of near 9. Tuna called. I mean, we have guys the clear support 820. I mean, that's just the clear level on VNDA. It's anything close to that's really not a bad entry because you have daily levels at 825. You have the intraday at 82.
Mm-hmm.
Really not
Yeah,
a bad dip
Adam,
though.
what you gonna do, girl? You gonna be a good girl for us, Adam?
I'm not
Or
even
is she
watching it
a
because
raggedy auntie?
I got stops set and I'm anticipating the manipulation on it.
I know, right? Yeah, I got scared. I reduced a little bit and dragged stops down. I'm just like, I've been scarred so many freaking times by these junkers. Like, but in the same token, it's low key. Like, it doesn't look bad at all. Like, it
It
looks,
doesn't.
it
We
looks
still have to
good.
trade them with like with this what I was reading from trading in the zone earlier today is like you still have to trade them with a winning attitude though. That's what
Mhm.
you know
Right, right.
that's what's going to be challenging because you take losses, you get scarred from these junks, and then you take profits too early, stuff like that. You got to avoid. You just got to let the chart play out
I
because
think, yeah, I think that's where it comes down to like process and system, like having that, and
oh my god,
what happened?
KNRX,
Oh, they offer.
jeez.
Oh, shit. Damn. Oh man. All right, guys. Bloody hands. Get ready. Let's catch a knife. Shot.
God dang it. Look at how perfect that thing tapped that 1/8. Just rejected hard off of that.
Mm-hmm. Damn.
BDMD, maybe that's time to smack this thing because is that going to reclaim Friday's levels? I doubt it, but it's really holding up. Dude, what is going on with
1.9.
BDMD? Why?
Damn. Yeah, I don't
I
know.
just
I couldn't
cannot
tell
see this thing reclaiming those levels at all. Get that chart
you.
loaded up, dude. Because this thing against 2 2s right now, I think is really good. I'm gonna start sizing this thing pretty heavy, I
And
think.
BDSM or BD, what is BDSA?
No, it's not BDSM. BDMD.
Okay.
What? BDMD. Yeah, I'm gonna start sizing it towards like 2 2s
All right.
because this thing ain't getting back up to 2 3s for us.
I mean, what is it even doing? What's the story here? Yeah, I mean, I see what you're seeing. It's like really, yeah, like this is kind of the golden entry on the 50% reclaim of that junker pump, and then give yourself up to like 2 2 or 2 or 10, maybe even
Mhm.
2, depending on how tight you want to
Oh,
be.
look at
And
that
then
sell off.
back to 1.7. Damn, dude.
Let's freaking go.
Oh, Adam alert, guys, heavy. Okay, I'm gonna add back to this a little bit,
We
guys.
might halt down on BDMD, dude. We might halt down.
Damn. Yeah, that was like so textbook, bro. I saw that wick at 1.9. I'm like, wait a minute. Yeah, this is kind of a good entry. And then boom, 1.68. Damn. I wish I had an algorithm where I could just tell my computer to get me in. Couldn't even react quick enough. All right, Adam, stay heavy here. So we don't want to see another little flash snap back to 6.2. This is what I don't want to see. Gonna keep dragging stops down here because I'm not gonna get screwed in like a spring load pump here.
Spring 11.
If I get wicked out, so be it. I'd rather if I set my stops too out of range, I'll be tempted to add back more. It's like they've got it channeling here, so you know, it's like you can get tighter now. You can get heavier and tighter. at this point, in my opinion. So NCI, yeah. Oh, that alert play put in 2 wicks around 40% up. So what you smacked BDMD, good trade there, man. Yeah,
Yeah, I just took most
that looked
all of it off.
good. Nice.
Well,
NCI, I mean, it's like you could consider something there, but I don't know. I don't think I want to trade that one.
the
Just a sketchy
thing.
ticker.
Mm-hmm.
But it's
Yeah,
like when you zoom out a little bit, it's like it does still kind of look like a good short.
it
Like you
looks
get
like
to
a
the larger
great
time
short.
frames, it's like,
Why, Matt? Hey, tuna, crow. This is in y'all's like price range wheelhouse right here. 50 cents. That thing's getting some volume on it, breaking out the new highs. It just hit all time lows. 60 cents coming in.
that's it. I'm long 10,000 shares.
Oh, this thing is shooting straight up right now. Why, Matt? Hang on, let me do.
J Star Holdings exclusive global distribution deal at 9:30 or at 9 this morning. I mean,
It's trading like a tiny float.
if
Why,
it
Matt?
goes up much more, it could present a short op for 10 cents, but then it just becomes tricky. You know, these plays can be tricky. They can pay and they can pay quick, but
But we know
sometimes
the
a 10
theme.
cent rule can hang you too with them. So,
The theme lately has been these like all time low junkers getting kind of the squeezes on them.
Mhm.
I'm gonna take a look at the short interest on it. 0.55%. Yeah, not much.
Pump the junker theme continues. I mean,
Hmm.
that theme will probably stay forever, right? Because you're always going to have a bunch of shorts that want to short junk. And then, the squeezers and the bulls that come in and pump the junk. Cycles of life. All right, Adam, back over 6. I don't like that. Like you haven't gone against us yet, but you're kind of toying. It's just like a sleepy, drifty fade, I hope. But we've channeled here for a little longer than I'd like to, right?
Yeah, which could
So
invalidate to a degree to
yeah,
size.
so I've reduced and I've gotten tighter. I'm not gonna, I don't. I'm gonna be stopped out by the time this thing gets to 6.5 at this point. Like I don't. I can reassess it, but since it's channeled here, for a couple hours now in this range and into Bell, like if it goes higher, I don't want a part of it. Like either ride a crack or cut it.
Feels good to get a payout going though. We've been
Yeah, man, that's awesome. I'm glad that you got that settled.
even though I went, dude, I like went in $1,000 pretty much drawdown essentially. But again, it like you only lose your credits when you hit new lows on the scaled account. But when you're grinding higher, that counts towards like your 70/30, pro when you're not when you get funded but you haven't scaled, like when you hit lows and like let's say you go under your initial starting balance on a new funded,
Yeah.
anything you make from there is not necessarily going to count towards like payout profits, right? It's
Mhm.
just when you get over like the starting balance, but with a scale to everything essentially at that point for you is counts towards profit.
Yeah.
That's what's nice
Yeah,
about it.
I just like the approach of like taking like half of my profits out, giving myself less wiggle room, but
Yeah.
still paying myself. I find that that works out well. It's like, yeah, I've lost some accounts doing that, but I've also like secured profit doing that. So it
Secured
goes,
the bag.
yeah, it just depends, what you're looking at. It's like, do you need to extract or do you want to build? But it's like you never want to build too much, though. I think that's the issue with having too much money in a prop firm without extracting it. Like for me personally, it screws up my psychology. Like
Well, you could like rules could get changed or things get. It's probably best, like you're saying, to just extract. FBIO 4.2 is holding up, guys. I mean, we could see that one struggle here. Yeah, FBIO is struggling a little bit on that 4.2 fail. Today's just a weird Monday. Like the volume's not here, guys. The volume's
Yeah,
really not here.
yeah. Main market kind of chopping around.
Cracking this trend too is FBIO. Draw that out, guys.
FBIO. Is that a backsider or is that a
Yeah, it did its
upper?
liquidity sweep. I mean, it's on this
Yeah.
VWAP now. I mean, it looks not bad, but it's not up a
Yeah.
lot. That's the problem. It's not up too
Mhm.
much. But if it dumps down to Halt City, I'll take it.
Yeah. Adam's just toying around with us. I mean, it's fine though. I'm fine with that. If we want to
Mm,
stay in this range, like I said, I just reduced size. I drug my stops down. After channeling here for so long, like I'm not interested in upside. Keep playing with
yeah, I did the same. Scaled down all my stops as well, like six
it.
twos to 6.3s. I just it works or it doesn't.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm like 6.2s to 6.5 and reduce the size by a third. So yeah, it is what it is. And it's like that's that market revealed itself. It's that kind of day. Like okay, that's fine.
NCI is still interesting, regardless of the loss there. BDMD worked fairly well. VNDA tested that 9, still pulling back. VNDA.
um, yeah, just kind of eerie Monday, right?
It really is, yeah.
Yeah. It's like don't see a screaming long or a screaming short. It's just kind of like a feeling of everything out. Allure turned into a decent fade, but I mean a little bit of range, I guess. Yeah, just nothing with screaming range, right?
Mm-mm.
Adam just toying with us a little bit, teasing.
Yeah, she's our little teaser.
Yeah, gotta have one of those. Take a look at the loser list.
Slowly motivate mRNA. Yeah. See that. Moderna giving the pop, going against the market. Market's at lows on the day. Crow and GITS. GITS got a little pop there for.
The Motley Fool. Here's why I wouldn't touch Moderna with a 10-foot pole until its next growth engine is clear. All right, guys. Motley Fool said it. Full leverage, short this bad boy.
Man,
Send it. 25K position, short Moderna.
IBRX, guys, that really popped towards 10 has been holding so well. That's just a grinder today. I'm really curious what the Warriors are trading this morning. I'm like, what in the
Right.
world?
Yeah.
Where? Yeah, because
Where the
it's very rare he has a no trade day. I'm very curious what they're looking at.
on Monday? Yeah. Probably like Allure. Probably like pump that or
Yeah,
um
that would be insane if we see like a easy $20,000 day today, and then it was this move right here. ALUR. 4 million. I mean, that was 4 million shares for that red to green move. That didn't
Hell, I
happen.
mean, if I had 1 million subscribers in a paid room, I'd be going long too. Like, I'm just saying.
Educational purposes only. Oh yeah, he got in trouble for all that.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, hey man, to each
Oh,
their own.
FBIO straight down. FBIO straight down.
We were on that
It
one.
it did look good. It
It
wasn't
did.
up enough to really get our
Hmm.
interest that
And look,
much.
textbook, the range just wasn't screaming at us.
Because I
Like the
mean,
setup was
round.
textbook,
Yeah,
but
yeah. Setup was textbook. I mean, we could have still gone small size, but yeah, if this thing
yeah.
like if it round trips, it's only going to 340, so it's not like a
Hmm.
ton of range on it. In fact, it could be a decent long against the previous close areas. NCI guys might be literally the toy of the day in small caps. They're rounding that thing back up towards the highs. I
Yeah.
don't think I don't think I think there's going to be a toy on the day. It's holding the previous close now, and that thing is probably
Mhm.
so heavily shorted that it
Yeah.
could.
You're calling it right here, right now. I mean, dude.
I'm looking at the
In
shortage.
hindsight, that level to like reverse long or short there when it was wicking, put in those 3 wick. Let me see. Go to smaller time frame.
Oh my god! I thought it
Yeah,
was going to be way
hindsight that
heavier on the
520
shorts.
level, that 520. Hmm.
It was a good stop, I will say, that I had on it. Thankfully,
That's good. Yeah. Yeah,
uh,
look at that. That's
it's
a
only
classic fake out pattern too, right? Classic bear trap pattern.
Tuna, good call on the 9 hit for VNDA. It's like if you're higher floats right now, we got VNDA and then IBRX. Those two, IBRX just hit 11, but those are good, like decent range, higher floats. Battle is another like it's another back burner play that's trying to creep up back over $5. I think Fades and I are really just working ATOM. I think that's like our edge. If it works, it works great. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We have our
Yeah.
stops kind of tighter, but the chart looks great. The offeringed out. I don't know if I'm going to get heavy on anything else because nothing's really screaming, dude.
Mm-hmm. Agreed. Yep,
I think
100%. And I'm refraining from getting heavier than I want to in this one just because the market's kind of slow right now. But this one does feel good.
I mean, look at the 5 day here, dude. I mean, it looks great. The levels that should be holding up are holding up, and it offering down. So I mean, I think we're on to it with it.
Yeah, just set and forget. Put your levels
Yeah,
in.
yeah.
Moderate, it's like, yeah.
Set the levels and just let it do its thing. I mean, we're not missing anything. Here's Battle's chart, guys. Battle's battling its high on the day right now. That's still in
Mhm.
place. Oil and gas tickers, that sector's been doing well. Honestly, this might be a little inverse head and shoulders BATL. We saw what that did with RXT recently. Yeah, look at this, guys. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
actually a really decent looking inverse head and shoulders here. And look,
Mm-hmm.
this is the line. This 5 has become that line. So
Mm. Interesting. That's a
yeah,
battle.
you're like
That's
I'm
battle.
flipping long. I'm going long. Is that what you're saying?
That's battle. Battalion oil, yeah, with all the drama and all the politics, woo woo, yep, we're long, we're long. Yeah, yeah, things curl up though. You're right. It's got that. It's like a cup. It's like a cup and handle and a head and shoulder, all inverse head and shoulder, all in one.
Yeah, it's like the head and shoulders all in one, like the 4-in-1 for men. It's got
Like, yeah. Body wash, conditioner, shampoo.
you can use it to brush your teeth. You can use it for just everything.
Oh,
Oh,
Mhm.
That's funny because you never see women's products like that. Women are like, "I need literally an individual bottle for everything."
Dude,
Like the
it's crazy,
condition.
bro. Like,
That's how you
yeah,
know it's slow whenever you're talking about shampoo
yeah,
bottle.
don't get me started, dude. Rand, we're gonna lose followers.
Subscribe. We're halting down on subscribers. Uh,
The war room is downtrending.
yeah, exactly.
Oh boy. Yeah, man. Like, what's going on here? It's just quiet. Nasdaq's still heavy. Yeah, you said it's like we had a little pump this morning and then dumped. Just choppy, morning chop.
Oh, dude, look at
Um,
this bear flag we're in on ATOM. Maybe it is worth getting heavy on.
yeah, I mean, it's like that big candle. Like, how much more is it gonna repair? It hasn't yet. Like, what's gonna come in here and just? I mean,
Yeah, it's a tough one.
yeah. I mean, it is what it is, right? It's just, it's like nothing else is going on, so we're looking at a little more than we really even should. But
I
it's just,
know. Yeah.
uh,
NCI is still squeezing. This chart is insanity. It only had okay.
mhm.
I
Hold up.
is there any software programs website out there that gives you like the most accurate short interest because FinViz is like a week or two out. Um, NCI, it just feels like it's trading like it's got way more than 3% short interest, which is what FinViz said.
Mhm. Yeah,
Maybe.
there's like some paid sites that are probably worth it for that info. I think what is it like dilution tracker or something like there's a couple sites that have like real good info like that, but usually you have to pay to get like, that top tier fresh data.
Oh, dang. Well, I went to shortsqueeze.com.
Yeah, was that
And,
one good?
well, it says it's only 20 minutes delayed and it's as of today, but it says
Okay.
shares short 30,800, which
Yeah, I mean nowadays who knows? Like the landscape's
no.
always changing,
Tuna's
like so much
tuna's
competition.
tuna's got it. That's probably exactly right. Short volume 723. Well, that's the volume of shorts. That's not That's the volume of shorts, which is still that's probably a solid indicator. Dude, like, can we graph that tuna? Graph like short volume coming into it? Have a dude, that would be beautiful. Like an RSI kind
Yeah.
of looking indicator for short volume.
It's like a green team threshold, the green team threshold band. Like,
Yeah.
sell it to trading view. Like,
That honestly would be I would love that indicator. Like just have it on the chart where you
yeah,
align like the VWAP or something.
that's
I
cool.
got it.
Yeah.
Tuna has it. All right. Tuna, we got to talk. NCI at highs right now.
Yeah, man, you know this one, dude. Toy of the day. I mean, something had to do it. How much
Well, I mean,
volume does this thing have, though?
I've taken an L on it. That's how I've nailed it. But
Yeah, it's nailed me.
yeah,
Yeah, I'm just in Adam right now. I mean, that's all I've seen, and I'm becoming less of a fan of this thing. It's like they want to toy with this thing more too. I mean, market
hmm
we're in.
NCI might squeeze up. Hey, we're halting. It looked like we were about to halt up on it. We'll see.
NCI, uh,
Max Payne. All right, we do have a halt. Let's see if it's even worth looking at. PFX. No, not worth it.
the pain threshold.
A pain indicator. Yeah, pain threshold indicator. Okay, guys. I mean, IBRX is grinding. VNDA kind of might be provide a dip opportunity. 820 is great risk guide there. NCI definitely where manipulation's being held right now, and ATOM just it would likely is going to gravitate towards that offering price as most do. I mean, the NCI has not based on the last 2 weeks, but again, short squeeze is going on there. It's just a matter of time frame, sizing and time frame. What gets everybody in trouble. So just make
Yeah.
sure you size appropriately. Don't get over GFAI was what did one of you mention GFAI? Yeah, Crow. GFAI is at highs right now. What in the world, dude? This like Pennyland's been where it's been at, dude. This GFAI just hit 52-week lows, fades.
Wow.
So Crow called in and was talking about, yeah, he's just this is where volume's at, and I'm
Mhm.
just trading it objectively. So he's been doing
Yeah,
really
man.
well.
That's good. I mean, yes, sticking with the trend and what's going on, that awareness.
I'm glad my funded was locked today because probably would have. There's really nothing.
Yeah, I've just been taking it slow. I'm just pretty much break even. I'm like tiny red right now on this Atom trade. Just like, whatever.
Hmm.
And honestly, like, small red days, like those are system wins, like we talked about earlier, It's like, how are you going to
Yeah.
behave when the market's not working with you? Like,
Yeah, these are the days that define the traders,
100%.
for sure. Like,
So it's like,
are you
yeah.
oversizing craziness like the NCIs and the atoms? Are you just taking the L's and moving along if it's not going to work?
hmm Which, yeah, it's like that's why having something going on besides just the stock market, right, is very key. Like, you can't just sit here and try to force it on a day when the market's telling you not to, right? Like, it's not going to end well.
Dude, NCIs
Yeah.
breaking to new highs right now.
Damn, look at that thing.
This is where the range and volume is going to be, guys. NCI,
You called it. You
the
called it, bro.
toy. Yeah,
Yeah.
call it being the toy of the day. I mean, I
Yeah.
just can't buy the junk, but maybe.
From 5 to 7, is it time to like start scaling shorts? Like, what are we doing, bro? This is kind of like
Sure.
what we were calling for earlier, like that.
Sure.
I was kind of eyeing that 7.5 range to reshort.
I just hit it. I'm gonna start scaling. Sure. Enough convincing, Fades. Is this a time to short? Yeah, I think so.
All
Oh
right,
man.
I mean, we'll see.
Probably eight twos. Probably 8 twos are what I'm scaling it to.
Mm-hmm.
I'm giving it some decent room. Like
Um,
I'm starting really small on these junk things. Like I threw
yeah.
100 shares at. Like if it starts working, I'll start throwing more 100
Mm-hmm.
lots at it. But
Right. Yeah. Exactly.
Adam, I'm just gonna reduce those stops down as
Yeah.
well.
That's done too. Yeah. He just keeps playing around with this a little bit there.
Is Allure Crow taking off? It it looked like she had gathered up some shorts. So yeah, if that thing gets going, it's probably got some shorts to squeeze out, I'd imagine. We'll keep Allure on watch for sure.
Yeah. NCI. Yeah. I mean, we touched 520.
Dude,
Now we're at 720. So
I don't want to sound
range.
this seems like a play to me, the big boys, like the are going to be slow scaling, kind of like we're doing, because they offering that 50 cents. We're at $7, but again, you have to allow for irrationality. Like this thing could shoot
Right.
up to $10 again. I ain't going to give it up to 10. I'll give it over under 8.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to really see much more strength than 8 because we had that wick that already got rejected heavy there. So, Really even 7.5s should be real heavy from there, which it has so far. Really the 720 rejection is pretty textbook here. Any more strength is going to get a little more worrisome, but they can do unfathomable things.
Yeah. Adam, I'm done with it right now. I'll
Yeah,
revisit.
yeah, I didn't like how that behaved. Like I said, the longer it grinded up in that channel, the less beneficial for us. And it's been one of those that just keeps grinding. It's like even with an offering, like
Yeah,
you
she's
could leave
been
like leave like smaller size and give it more wiggle room. But yeah, for now, I don't like how it's acting. I agree, 100%.
the trend on NCI may crack here. It's on trend right now on this steep trend it's put in, but it's testing it. It's testing it, guys. So we'll see what she
Yeah,
does here. Yeah, that candle cracked it. That candle cracked the trend on the 1 minute. Take a look at the 5.
what do you think, Rosa? We going to 6 or 8?
It sounded like she said OTC.
Another offering?
I mean, you can only get so. Look, HKD went up to 2,500. You can't. That was so unprecedented. Has anything even gotten crazier than that? HKD went from what, $1 to like 2,500 and back down. I haven't seen quite that.
Yeah, that's insanity, dude. But I mean, this NCI, bro, 7.5 feels good here.
Yeah. I like this one. I think it's a good patient one. I think this is probably likely going to be a good one, but we just got to play the patience on it. It looked like it really did it. It's similar to BDMD in that it did its kind of liquidation sweep in after hours
Uh,
yesterday. To reclaim the tens is going to be quite a bit of work on this thing.
mm-hmm.
But bro, I'm about to head out. Gotta hit the bathroom,
All right, brother.
and NCI is pretty. I'm gonna hit it again up towards 8, but then that's pretty much it for me.
Yeah.
Call it a day after that. There's a couple random like mid cap, large cap halts going on right now, but
Mm-hmm.
they're kind of they're very sketch. Like MAYS, MAYS. That one's nuts. I see a
Good
resumption
job.
like $52 on it. So, all right, a little pump. NCI might be given.
Yeah, I'm seeing how the 7.5 reacts. Like
I'm gonna
Tuna
hit it.
also said, 7.4 is key. Yeah, this mid-7 range is.
I'm gonna hit it a little bit more right there, and then hit it up towards 8. Then over under 8, I'll be done with it. But traders, appreciate you. Not the morning we wanted, but we'll see how NCI goes. Volume's been a little sketch today. Join the Discord if you haven't already. Green team. We'll keep the action going over there. But traders, appreciate you guys. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Hopefully something wakes up the market here like midday, afternoon. I'll keep my eyes peeled on everything.
Yeah, we'll see what we got.
See what we got.
All right, guys.
Take care.
Later.